So this is the pound yen analysis for Monday 13th of November. Now let's just have a look at what happened with prices more recently. So sorry about that. So let's just grab the pen. That's what we're meant to do. So we've had 49.78, which has acted as resistance, and it does appear to be active support just here. We can see that we had a bit of a sell-off from this 49.78. Now that's what happened on Friday. Essentially, we've had this run up. We've taken out these highs here. We've broke above the 200 period moving average, and we've come into resistance, and we've subsequently seen the sell-off just here. So what we could potentially see from here now, we could have, well, let's have a look at the pound yen now. So we do appear to be stalling a little bit based on these small candles, but overall, we are expecting price to come down to 48.46 before we could potentially see another bounce to retest at 49.78, beyond which we're looking at 150.56 and 151.25. Now let's just get that off the chart. 51, yes, so 151.25, and beyond that we're looking at 52.85, but I reckon that is a bit too far away. So in around at 151.25 and 150.56 weekly pivot, we'll see how prices react. Now to the downside, we did mention 48.46, and below that we're looking at 47.35. So 47.35, yep, 47.35. Overall, so let's just get these audio apart. So again, we'll be looking, see our price react there and above in around that level. Now if we go down below and we do break down from there, we'll be looking at, if we do break down from there again, sorry about this, this isn't working as I would like. So if we do get the breakdown to 48.46 and we do not see some strong buy momentum come in, we'll target 147.35. Now if we do turn around from this 148.46 and do head upwards and successfully navigate the moving averages here in around at 149.78, I'll be looking for price to get to 150.56 and 151.25. So let's just have a quick look at the higher time frames. So here on the daily chart, we can see that it's not particularly interesting. We can see it's there. I think this is called like a megaphone pattern, and it's not very appealing pattern at the moment. This is very choppy, and it is difficult to trade it at the moment. Overall, the trend is to the upside, but overall the most recent trend is to the upside. But we have encountered some resistance, and since then we've been very range bound in hard trading. So let's just have a look at the weekly. So just bear with me a second here. Get this getting correct. So here on this weekly chart, we're in a slight uptrend. More recently, we've encountered some resistance. Actually, we've encountered some resistance, and we do appear to be in a somewhat indecisive environment here on the pound against the yen, as we have had a series of weekly candles. None of them are sizable, of note in any sense, and it's difficult it's somewhat difficult to say where prices are likely to go. We've already identified levels on the hourly charts, but on this weekly chart we can see quite a few wicks from the upside, so there does appear to be some selling momentum in the market at present. So we may just turn around and retrace even further down into the 140s. Now let's just have a look at the, bear with me a second here. So I'm just going to have a look at the monthly. So on this monthly chart, let's get a pen. We've had this very big sell-off in the pound against the yen. Yes, we've had a very big sell-off in the pound against the yen, and we subsequently found some support here, and the prices do appear to be heading in an upwards direction. Yes, they appear to be heading in an upwards direction. Let's get this chart up. So we are expecting continuation to possibly 154.72, and just bear with me a second here. Yeah, 154.72. That'll be the far end of the range, but zero. No. No, 154.72. I was just thinking about something else. 154.72 does appear to be the well, that would be the target here on the monthly chart. But overall, and we do appear to be in a bit of an uptrend. Well, we do appear to have a turnaround in trend, and a turnaround in trend to the upside. So we're expecting prices to continue to the upside, and we're looking for potential buying opportunities while cautiously being short in and around the weekly pivots and strong horizontal levels already identified in the charts. So that should wrap up the pound yen analysis. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.